Hello and welcome to our channel Adventure TV. In this video, we will know everything about ozone, such as what is ozone, how does it form, how it saves life on Earth, and why is the ozone layer important. We will also know about ozone depletion and international efforts to protect the ozone layer, etc. So take your cup of tea and stay connected with us. So let's start with what is ozone. Ozone is a molecule made up of 3 oxygen atoms, O3. It's a pale blue gas with a pungent odor. In the stratosphere, ozone is formed when UV radiation from the sun breaks apart oxygen molecules, O2. The resulting free oxygen atoms then combine with other oxygen molecules to form ozone. Now you must have a question in your mind that, how is ozone created? Here is the answer. Ozone is formed in the atmosphere through chemical reactions between pollutants emitted from vehicles, factories, and other industrial sources, fossil fuels, combustion, consumer products, evaporation of paints, and many other sources. Hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxide gases react in the presence of sunlight to form ozone. Hot, sunny, and calm weather promotes ozone formation. Now moving to the ozone layer. The ozone layer or ozone shield is a region of Earth's stratosphere that absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains a high concentration of ozone, O3, in relation to other parts of the atmosphere, although still small in relation to other gases in the stratosphere. The ozone layer contains less than 10 parts per million of ozone, while the average ozone concentration in Earth's atmosphere as a whole is about 0.3 parts per million. The ozone layer is mainly found in the lower portion of the stratosphere, from approximately 15 to 35 kilometers above Earth, although its thickness varies seasonally and geographically. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by French physicists Charles Fabry and Henri Buisson. Do you guys know why the ozone layer is important? There are 2 main reasons. 1. It shields Earth from UV radiation. UV radiation is harmful to living organisms, causing skin cancer, cataracts, and damage to plants and marine ecosystems. The ozone layer acts as a protective shield, absorbing most of the UV radiation before it reaches the Earth's surface. 2. It maintains temperature balance. Ozone also plays a role in regulating the Earth's temperature by absorbing and re-emitting heat. This helps to maintain a stable climate. Have you guys heard about ozone depletion? If not, let me clear it for you. Ozone layer depletion is the gradual thinning of the Earth's ozone layer in the upper atmosphere, caused due to the release of chemical compounds containing gaseous bromine or chlorine from industries or other human activities. The breakdown of ozone in the stratosphere results in reduced absorption of ultraviolet radiation. Consequently, unabsorbed and dangerous ultraviolet radiation is able to reach the Earth's surface at a higher intensity. Ozone levels have dropped by a worldwide average of about 4% since the late 1970s. For approximately 5% of the Earth's surface, around the North and South poles, much larger seasonal declines have been seen and are described as ozone holes. Ozone holes are not a hole, actually, it is patches in the ozone layer in which the ozone is thinner. The thinnest parts of the ozone are at the polar points of Earth's axis. Now the main part of this video, and very important to know all of us, it is about protecting the ozone layer. Actually, our ozone layer. International efforts to protect the ozone layer. The Montreal Protocol, an international agreement signed in 1987, has been successful in phasing out the production and use of ozone-depleting chemicals. As a result, the ozone layer is slowly recovering. However, it's important to continue monitoring and protecting the ozone layer to ensure a healthy environment for future generations. Continued international cooperation and implementation of the Montreal Protocol are essential to protect the ozone layer and mitigate the effects of ozone depletion. Here is the good news. The results have been dramatic. Around 99% of ozone-depleting substances have been phased out, and the protective layer above Earth is being replenished. The Antarctic ozone hole is expected to close by the 2060s, while other regions will return to pre-1980s values even earlier. Every year, an estimated 2 million people are saved from skin cancer, and there are broader benefits too, as many of the ozone-depleting gases also drive up global temperatures. So friends, this was all about ozone. If you learned something from this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay connected for more such informative videos. Take care.